Hello, it's Abigail of Ground and Grow Yoga, and today I have a yoga for migraines. So I myself struggle with migraines. I have ever since I was in middle school, and there aren't really any solutions per se that we've come up with to help get rid of them. But yoga has become something that has helped me to relax and connect with my breathing, and therefore to better be able to get through my migraines. So I hope this practice is helpful for you as well. You're going to need a pillow or two, and if you have an eye mask or something you can put over your eyes later in the video, that's going to be helpful as well. So hop on your couch and let's get started. We're going to start sitting up nice and straight on the couch. Make sure that your feet are a little wider than hip width apart. We're going to inhale in through the nose, exhale out through the mouth. Inhale in through the nose and out through the mouth. Don't be afraid to close your eyes. This can be really helpful both in controlling the migraine, but also in allowing you to focus on the breathing. So inhale in through the nose and out through the mouth. Try to increase these inhales and exhales. Inhaling in through the nose, 2, 3, 4, and out through the mouth, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, 3, 4, and out, 2, 3, 4. In and out. In and out. Continue to breathe like this throughout the entire practice, really feeling your body expand with the inhale and relax on the exhales. In and out. In and out. Inhale in, and on the exhale, fold forward between your legs. Just allow yourself to release through the low back, through the neck. Just hanging here upside down. Remembering to breathe. You can clasp opposite elbows if you want to. Roll up very slowly. Head is the last thing to come up. And we're going to do shoulder shrugs, but we're going to do them very slow. So inhale and exhale. Inhale, shoulders up towards your ears. Exhale, release. Don't speed it up, keep it nice and slow. And release. even though migraines aren't tension headaches, oftentimes we can kind of get tight through the neck and shoulders trying to protect our head. This is a nice way to release the shoulders and neck. Take your hands together, and we're going to rub the palms together to create friction. This has a nice warming effect on your hands. We're going to bring the hands over our eyes. Just breathing. You can just keep your hands over your eyes, or you can take the fingertips and push your eyebrows up and around in the other direction. You can also do this with the heel of your hand, just doing little rainbows along the brow line. I know for me, pressure helps a lot with my migraines. Just doing this rainbow motion feels really good. If you do use essential oils, you could always put lavender or peppermint on your hands. You want to be very careful not to get it in your eyes, though. That will only make your headache worse. Now we're going to take our pillows. So you might have a bolster, or you might have a pillow or two. And it's going to be whatever's comfortable for you. So place them next to you. I'm going to try with 2 pillows, and we'll see if I change my mind. You can come up on the couch, your knees wide, toes together. And we're just going to lay over the pillows. You can adjust them, pulling the pillows in towards your groin, and then really lift up and over. You can put your head face down, but I don't find that as comfortable, so I will just tell you when to switch sides if you have your head to one side or the other. You just want to be breathing here. Eyes closed. Try to release any tension you're holding in your back or hips or neck. Again, it's okay to adjust the pillows. If you are looking to one side, switch to the other side. slight arch through the back, moving the shoulders back. And then I'm going to take one pillow behind me. Slowly make your way so that the pillow is behind your back. You don't have to use a pillow. I'm going to sit right up against mine. And then I'm going to put the soles of my feet together. And then lay back on the pillow. So my head has hit the back of, or the arm of the couch. If that's not comfortable for your neck, or depending on your couch, you might want to have your other pillow to have a more gradual incline, or you might move all the way down further on the couch so that you're laying flat. But this is whatever's most comfortable for you. You can also take your eye mask if you have one, and lay it over your eyes. Mine attaches in the back. Again, creating that pressure. And bring my hands to my stomach. Inhaling and exhaling. When you have a migraine, it's all about just working with the breath. We don't want to put our body through lots of different stretches and things like that, because unlike other forms of headaches, like tension headaches, your migraines could be triggered or caused by so many different things. The breath can definitely help you connect with your body and help feel into what's wrong. Also helps relax you. We're really just focusing on that breath. Visualizing it coursing through your body. Making sure the back of the neck is nice and long, kind of dipping the chin towards the chest. Don't want to have your head back. That causes tension in the neck. You can either stay here, or you can make your way down into Shavasana, stretching out the full length of the couch, removing the pillows. Same thing, just breathing. And I encourage you to stay here as long as you possibly can. With a migraine, oftentimes it helps to sleep it off, and so Shavasana is a great transition into that. I hope that this practice has been relaxing for you, and that you can take this time for yourself to just stay here in Shavasana. Have a wonderful day and feel better. Namaste. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please let me know in the comments. Also, if you have any other suggestions of videos you would like to see in the future, please let me know. And remember to subscribe and comment. Subscribers help me to be able to continue to make free content. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.